Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you can safely change. Check the Xbox 360 model, warranty, and whether official updates support custom boot art. Once done, back up your game saves to the cloud or to external storage so nothing is lost. Make sure the console has stable power and a reliable network connection before proceeding. I won't guide you through firmware hacks. Instead, focus on official options and precautions so you don't void warranty or risk corrupting system data. Next, use only Microsoft-supported features to change visuals. Explore dashboard themes, profile backgrounds, and approved profile avatar animations available in the marketplace. These options are safe because they don't alter system firmware. They simply replace assets within the permitted interface. Once you locate an approved visual pack, install through the console's system settings and allow official updates to complete. This avoids flashing or NAND edits, and it preserves online access and achievements, so you keep your console functional and supportable. Finally, confirm the new visuals load consistently after a restart. If the console reverts or shows instability, restore your backups and return to the default theme using system settings. Make sure to allow any pending official updates to install, because missing patches can cause unexpected behavior. If you encounter persistent boot problems or errors, stop and contact Xbox support for guided recovery. Do not attempt firmware or hardware hacks. That single troubleshooting step often prevents permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.